Don't stop.
Just came back from getting Aaron and give him his chocolates. Uh-oh, chocolate makes him hyperactive now. Oh. No kisses. No kisses. No kisses, darling. No. No. I don't want to kiss you. No, I don't want to kiss you. Oh, you're so cheeky. No, I don't want to kiss you. Yeah, mommy, don't touch mommy's dress. Okay. Ooh. Nah. Oi, careful. Here. Very dirty baby. The very dirty man. Ew. Okay, no kisses.